You know, I did a review on this and I loved it, but now it works. So let me tell you what happened. So I have someone staying in my house for a couple months while they get a place. And my son came home from college. He's in his third year law school. My daughter is picking her off and on, even though she has her own place. So I got this and I was really thrilled about it. So when my friend came out and she said, hey, listen, I'm going to go mow the lawn, because she's a nice girl and she knows I've done this stuff and she wants to kind of help. And I said, okay. And so we came out, and one thing I noticed was there was grass in here. So when my son last did the lawn, he went ahead and left black grass in, which is a terrible idea. The next thing that happened was that the grass all underneath here and in this blade area, let me show you what it looks like. You get that?
Mm-hmm.
It's dirty. So nobody kind of cleaned that out and kind of left it the way it was. And so what I noticed is that once I knew all that was done, I put the battery in and it didn't start. I started thinking, oh my gosh, somebody kind of broke this. So I did all my natural things that you do. I pressed this up, I hit this, it wouldn't start. I heard that this might be a problem, so I unclipped these and pressed them back tight. I very carefully telling my friend to please get her hand off the start button, cleaned out a lot of the grass, even though there's still grass there, and we emptied this. Still it wouldn't work, so I did the next best thing. This beautiful 12-inch iPad. I opened it up, and I'm going to suggest this is what everyone should do when they have a problem. It says, let's see, they talked about the green tips, and then in here it said, make sure you press the go button before lifting this. And so what went to be a colossal bad day, because I love my machine, I forgot how to turn it on because I've been having people help me. So anyway, the one thing I would suggest is something doesn't work, don't get too upset. Go to Google, read. Usually it's gonna tell you, or go to wherever your search engine is, because this is a darn good product. Talk to you later. Bye.